Now let us see the biological functions of magnesium and calcium. You can analyze the importance of calcium and magnesium from the fact that an adult person's body is having 25 grams of magnesium and about 1200 grams of calcium in comparison to only 5 grams of iron and 0.06 grams of copper. That is why we need to take calcium and magnesium regularly, and their body intake on daily basis must be on the range of 200 to 300 milligrams. Now let us see their main important uses. All enzymes uses ATP and they get their energy from ATP, and we need to know this, that magnesium is the main cofactor or accelerator for these enzymes. Then 99% of the calcium is present in our body in the form of bones and teeth, in bones and teeth. Now these we know that all plants carries are having they are green because of their chlorophyll, and that is the only pigment which actually is capable of converting the sunlight, carbon dioxide and water into the carbohydrates. So that is what again the magnesium plays a very important role. Then we need to know that these elements plays a very important role in neuromuscular functions and intraneural neural transmissions. That is why they are very important for our interneural transmissions. Now, the other thing most important is in plasma, in blood plasma, that the calcium level is maintained to an extent of 100 milligrams per liter, and this level is maintained by mainly two hormones which are called calcitonin and parathyroid hormones. And that is why you won't imagine this, that the people always think that their bones once are formed are always with them. We need to know that always the bones are getting dissolved and the new calcium takes their place, and about 400 milligrams of calcium is being replaced in the bones, from the bones and the teeth of our body on daily basis, and this transaction is being regulated in the plasma by these two main hormones.